So we were in need for some more chairs. We like to entertain, especially out in our garage for games, or just for extra, during the holidays, extra chairs for around the dinner table. And I've got these awesome Trineer chairs. These things come fully assembled already, which is really nice because usually when you get stuff like this, you have to assemble all the time. But they're really sturdy, they're really stable, great price point for these. And you can see right there, doesn't have any sway or wiggle to it, so it's really a load and stabilizing chair. Ergonomic for my back as well. This is nice and comfortable. And really nice for this is it's lightweight. It does not take much to put it together, and you can see it has that lock-in right there. So this part is metal, and the rest of it is plastic, so it's lightweight but also durable. So once I'm done using these, storage is easy, they're stable, but also very thin, and you can store them in pretty much any space you want. That's 4 chairs right there. It takes up just a handful of space, and so you can have a lot of these without dealing with having to store them in a million places. So outdoor, we can use those. They're really great, but they're just as easy to use inside. Right here, we've got a birthday party coming up, and we've got more people coming than we do have our regular chairs. Bringing these upstairs, putting them around our table is a great way to have more people be up here. When it comes to any holidays or family celebrations, we can bring the extra chairs into our living room as well, or down in our basement. And because they're so easy to move and they're so portable, your usage and the scenarios that you can use them for are pretty much unlimited as far as this goes. So really a nice thing to have for us, especially when we have that family over and we can use it pretty much anywhere.